This is Joe and Joey Super Cool Food Reviews. This is Joe and Hi everyone. Beautiful. That's so good. Wow.